Well, I think you probably set out when you're working with Build Smart to build and continue to own your building. I mean, and as homeowners, that's obviously kind of naturally our experience. But there's cost savings up front. There's timeline savings up front. There's quality up front that helps all of your follow-on trades work better and be more successful. But really, the benefit of Build Smart is 20 years from now, when you've recouped all kinds of costs from, say, utility bills, when you've reduced your maintenance because the system is durable. So kind of from a developer standpoint, I think if you want to build and hold a quality building, Build Smart is the system that's going to help you do that.